Hey, Paul here, and I'm going to do an unboxing here of a package I received from Bottom Dwellers Tackle. And we're going to get her opened up. If I can keep from cutting my throat while opening up the box. Alright, we'll open these bad boys up. What I have is two dual pro rod holders from Driftmaster. They're a standard star aluminum base. This video is really not all that technical, because I don't have anybody to operate the camera. Everybody's at work. So, but there's my Driftmasters, the right threaded star base, right threaded Driftmasters, and these things are going to be really great on my boat. I had a pair of rod holders on it before. They were real flimsy. Save your money, don't buy them at Bass Pro unless you get the high quality ones. The ones that I had on there were good for about a year, and they started bending, started breaking and whatnot. But here's my unboxing from Bottom Dwellers Tackle, and it doesn't look like, I figured he probably put $200 or $300 in there for me. Hey Dave, you forgot to put the $200 or $300 in there, dude. Anyway, on the back it shows you the different ones you can get. But with that, I guess we're done.